What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This one here I'm just recording on a GoPro. Seeing how this goes. It's going to be a quick easy one. Going to install these, which are the handlebar extensions. So just go in between there, raise the handlebars up that little bit higher. So we'll get onto that and see how we go. First things first, you need to undo these bolts here. So that's a Allen key head. I'll grab that now. Alright, so this one here is just a 6mm Allen key. Want to undo these 4 bolts, which I've already mostly loosened off. My quad lock mount does slide there. So these bolts weren't overly tight anyway, so interesting. So I want to take these bolts all the way out. These handlebars seem to want to move. So I'll just move them down there for a minute. Alright, so now these all 4 bolts are undone. I'll take those caps off. I might have to actually remove bolts out of here. There you go, unslide, take those caps. We want to keep these caps because we're going to use them. For these bolts, we're not going to reuse these bolts. The new one comes with new bolts, so do that. So these are the parts that we get. They are just extended by about an inch and a half. So they want to sit just under here. So pull your handlebars back, they slide in just there and just there. Lift your handlebars up, back on top of them. And we've got a packet of longer bolts here. So once we've got these on, I'll slide your cap back onto your handlebars, slide your bolt back through there, and just line them back up. That. And then I'll go about tightening them down and getting the handlebars where I want. Cool. Alright. I want these done up pretty even, so I'll just do these bolts up until they touch the top of the caps. So once they're on and you've got a bit of tension on it, you want to just line your bars up again. I'll show you this side. Your bars have markings just in there, which lines them up. So what we want to do now is jump back on the bike. I had to remove my quad lock just because it was getting in the way there. But we want to line these bars back up. So pretty evenly, sort of get to where you feel that they're going to be comfortable. Get them straight and just slowly tighten these screws up. So you want to do these a couple of turns at a time so you get even amount of clamping pressure on them. So I'll do them up and show you the finished product. So it's taken a little bit of trial and error for me to get them where I like them, but that's them installed, tightened down now. Come around the front here, you can see it just raises those handlebars a little bit more by about an inch or so. Makes it riding a bit more comfortable, sort of a bit more closer to you and a bit higher. So we'll test them out next time I go for a ride, and I'll see how they go. Once I do a 1000k review of the bike, I'll go over and let everyone know how I found these, how I like them, if they were worth it or not. All right, thanks for that one. We'll short, quick, easy one. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.